The beauty of the destination Kivu belt is made up of many attractive areas covered by various green crops, mostly bananas, cassava, sorghum, and the well-known coffee and tea. There are a number of community-based tourism opportunities available in the destination Kivu belt, which involve experiences that enable you, as a guest, to actively participate in local agro-tourism activities, night fishing, culture, and rural life. All of these activities can be combined with hiking or biking along Rwanda's famous Congo-Nile Trail. Agro-tourism allows you to see and learn about the techniques used by the community in planting, growing, harvesting, and processing these crops. The night fishing is an awesome activity in the destination Kivu belt. It allows interested tourists to canoe and sing with the fishermen in the evening, set up the fishing lamps and net, and pull the net to catch these sambas of fish. Taking part in community-based tourism activities is not only the perfect way for you to experience local life, but also a source of income for the local community and an opportunity for job creation among the locals, especially youth and women. We are looking forward to welcome you soon to Kivu Belt, Rwanda's ecotourism and adventure destination.